These are the flavors: Asian, infusion, Italian, and okay, so we have our tofu again, just showing you and reiterating. It's in glass. I'm gonna open this up. I'm actually gonna pour out the liquid blocks, and they usually come out pretty easily when it comes to taking them out. They look like regular tofu, they're just packaged differently. And this one, gotta wiggle it out a little bit. All right, and then we're just gonna press these. I like to press them on a surface, just get as much water out. This is an extra firm tofu. Same thing with this one. Again, you can see the markings. This looks like it's from the tofu press. And then again, that good old line in the back. This can actually be cut into 6s, but I like to cut mine a little bit more. So I'm just gonna follow those lines again. And I'm gonna cut here, cut here. And the reason why I do that, it's kind of fools your brain into thinking that you're eating more than you're actually eating, which 95% of the time you're not. And then we're gonna turn it this way and do the same thing, cut down that line. And there we go. So I have my tofu pieces. And then I like to cut this in half because it's not cut in half. So I'm just gonna cut that in half. So that's 2 blocks, and I'm gonna do one more. So I have 3 8-ounce-ish batches, and I'll be right back. Now we have our 3 tofus. The first one's more of an Italian infusion, garlic, onion, seasoning, and Italian seasonings. Very simple with some olive oil. Then I have an Asian infusion, again, green onions, ginger, and teriyaki sauce, soy-free. And then a lime and onion with herbs. Super simple. So we have a lime and herbs, an Asian infusion, and then we have an Italian blend. Super delicious and super simple.